Welcome back everybody to beautiful Haulover Inlet down in South Florida where everybody likes to have a good time, including this crew right here. They've got this little Sea-Doo Sportster out there blasting around, really enjoying themselves at Haulover. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Would you take this boat through Haulover? I actually think it looks pretty fun, and it looks like these guys are having a pretty good time as they're out there doing it. Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host Broncos Guru in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the inlet. And we're going to go ahead and let these guys be our first round competitor, and they pretty much just have their way with Haulover. They're just down there having a good time, enjoying themselves, but there still has to be caution exerted here. Haulover Inlet's famous for boats just literally coming blasting through this inlet, so actually playing around in the inlet like this can be a little bit dangerous. But there's not a whole lot of traffic right this second. These guys are absolutely sending it, having fun, and I'm not going to have any real choice here but to go ahead and give these guys a win for the boats in the first round as they continue to play around and have a good time. Now, even though our first round competitor had a good time, let's see how our second round competitor fares as we see a carver coming through Haulover. And here you're going to see one of the reasons why that little jet boat didn't actually go out the mouth of the inlet. Things get pretty rough out here. We're going to see this is a big boat. This carver's blasting its way out of the inlet, but it is rough offshore today. Just a little bit outside of the inlet, you start hitting some rollers and things get a little bit nasty. And here we go, the carver's starting to work its way into it now. These guys are keeping the boat up on plane, and man, they're taking spray over the bow. And I can't tell if that's a TV hanging or a solar panel hanging up top, but that thing is flopping all over the place. These guys really are getting rocked as they're making their way out of the inlet. And if we're seeing a vessel of this size getting pushed around like this at Haulover, it's going to make the rest of our day interesting, as this is probably going to be one of the bigger boats we'll see come out, which means our smaller vessels are really going to have a tough time. I'm kind of torn on this one, but Haulover's rocked these guys around pretty solid, and I think I'm going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover Inlet. And that'll bring us to a 1-1 tie as we head into our third round, where we're going to have a Sea Ray step into the ring and try and do battle with Haulover. And my man's hitting it. He's really trying to push this vessel out of here. He's got it up on plane, working it as much as he can, but man, they're getting rocked. Typically, I'm all about speed, but oh man, he's sending it. They're just going a little too fast for the conditions for this vessel. Right here, they almost get vertical with this thing. They get the whole boat basically out of the water. That's going to give them a hard smack, and Haulover's teaching them a lesson quick. It's all about speed and precision. We can't always just blast it out of the inlet. These guys try, but I'm going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover as well. And this will take us into our fourth round, where we're going to have a Viking step into the ring and see how it fares against Haulover on a day like today. And man, that's a tough call right there. I'm pretty sure they stuffed the bow, but it is super close. So let's go back to the instant replay and take a look. And man, that bow goes under. Unfortunately for this vessel, they're going to take a loss on the stuffing the bow rule. Early on, they appear to have no issues making it the rest of the way out, but this is going to be the third loss for the boats today, which means Haulover's going to take the win in this episode early here in the fourth round. We're going to go ahead and let the boats at least have a chance to kind of get some kind of redemption and come back here in the fifth round, and let's see what they can do. And they're going to send that same Sea Ray we saw earlier right back in. And my man's got the same methodology again. He's got this throttle pinned and is basically just bound and determined he's going to try and manhandle Haulover. Now, he tried this on his way out and wasn't very successful, but I'll tell you what, on his way back in, man, these guys are crushing it, and they will take a win for the boats here in the fifth round and give the boats just a little redemption, but the damage has been done, and Haulover takes the win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens in the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.